Hey guys, let's take a look at this round mirror with LED circumference lights and an anti-fog feature. This is the front light strip and there's a back light right there. If you turn it around, this is where it's at. You can hardwire this directly into the wall or connect it to this cord that you can just plug into the wall if you have a plug nearby. This is the mounting hardware. We have screws and brackets. Very nice construction with the solid light over here. This is an aluminum bracket. Comes with this very convenient marking board. It has the 4 holes, and this sticker indicates the direction of the mirror, so that's going up. Sits great over the brackets. Doesn't wobble at all. Check this out. This is really cool. So this is the control button right here. So the operation is very simple. You just turn it on, tap on, and tap to turn it off. It has a built-in anti-fog feature, which is active when the mirror is turned on. Light adjusts to 3 temperature modes: warm white, natural white, and bright white. It is also dimmable just by pressing and holding. It goes from 10% light to 100%. This mirror's anti-fog feature is energy efficient, ensuring a clear reflection while elevating your home's convenience.